Good morning, student. Today we are going to start one next topic in your accountancy partnership. The topic name is interest on drawing. How to calculate the interest on drawing? Okay, beta. Interest on drawing. Before the knowing of how to calculate the interest on drawing, first we are going to know about the things, how we are going to take the drawing for your form. Mainly three methods we are using. One, regular. Second, irregular. And third, one fixed amount. First we are going to one fixed amount. If any one fixed amount is given in your question, so then in last question also I will tell the things. Then that amount into rate upon 100 into 1 by 2. It means half year interest on drawing we are going to calculate. Okay, beta? Half year interest on drawing we are going to calculate. Clear? And if infatuously and in regular, second, then we are going to take that irregular to last month of that year and calculate the how many months that drawing taking, and then after that take the product amount, and then we are going to calculate 1 month interest on drawing. Okay, for that we are going to see first question in this topic. Okay, just see, we are going to take the first question of this topic. By the solving that question I will try to make you understand that question and also the system by which we are going to make this calculate the interest on drawing. Okay, beta? Calculate the interest on drawing. Month, amount, the month, or you say date also. Okay, then product amount. Okay, just tell them with the date of amount in question, first question. That side, see, see.
30th. Amount is 8,000.
30th June, July, August, what?
April.
Yes. April, amount?
8,000.
8,000. Okay, then next?
30th.
June, then amount?
6,000.
6,000. Okay, then?
30th.
September, amount?
5,000.
5,000. Then next?
31st. December. 12,000.
12,000. Next?
31st. Jan.
10,000.
10,000.
Next? Nothing else?
No.
Just see, it's not regular. First in April, then June, then September, then December, then January. It means no regularity is there. Okay? No regularity is there. So this way, if the question is given on this way, then the closing date is 31st March, beta. Closing date is 31st March. It's sure and certain. Then we are going to calculate the month from this date to 31st March. From this date to 31st March. Okay, beta? Then first 30th of April. It means just don't think about the April. After the April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. It means 11 months is there. It means 11 months. Just write here 11 months. Then June. June is finished. After June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It means 9 months. Write here 9. Then September. September is finished. Then 6 months. Okay. October, November, December, January, February, March. Okay, beta? Easy to calculate or not? Easy na? Okay. Go for that. December. December is finished. January, February and March. Only 3 months. And then January is finished. So February and March. 2 months. Now going to multiply this amount and then take the product and then take the product amount. 88,000 54,000, 30,000, 36,000, 20,000. Okay, beta, just multiply. Just multiply the things. Okay, beta. Then here 8,000, 8, 5, 13, 16, 19, 21, 22. Okay. Then the formula is product amount into rate upon 100 into 1 upon 12. Okay, beta, 1 upon 12. We are going to calculate for only 1 month interest on drawing, because already we are just multiplying with the month. Amount 228 into rate is what, beta? Just tell about the rate. 9%.
हाँ, 9.
Into 1 upon 12. Cut that full amount. Okay, beta? Then these two, 3, 3s are 3, 4s are for 4, 5 times 20. Okay? And then 7 times. Okay? Then multiply by 3, 0, 17, 10. Answer is coming. Okay? Answer is 17, 10. It's coming, beta. Answer is coming. 17, 10. Okay? On this way we are going to solve the question if irregular, its drawing is not regular. Okay, beta? If drawing is not regular, then we are utilizing this method that is called product method. It's called product method. Okay? Now I am going for the next topic, regular. Regular, it means monthly, maybe it's beginning, maybe it's in, maybe in mid, but it's a regular. It means every month we are going to take the drawing, or every 2 months we are going to take the drawing, or every 9 months, or every 6 months, or every quarter we are going to take the drawing, but regularity should be maintained for that. Regularity should be maintained for that. That system we are going to follow here. Okay, beta? And for that, how to calculate the interest on drawing? For that, just see first 12 months. If continuously 12 months, we are going to take the drawing, it means all 12 months we are going to take the drawing beginning. Okay? Then we are going to calculate 6.5 month drawing. 6.5 month drawing. Your question is that how to calculate 6.5 month drawing? Just see. If we are just calculating every month, first day, in starting of year, so 1st January, if we are just calculating the 12 month up to 30 March, then 11 month up to 30 March, then 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Add this all. 12, 8, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 78. 78 is total and divide by 12. 6.5. On this base, we are going to calculate 6.5. This is the average month. If you are going to take any type of recurring account in any bank, so they are also just utilizing this system. Okay, beta? For that, I am going to make one table. It's very easy to see how many months we are going to take for the calculating of interest on drawing. How many months we are going to take of the calculating of interest on drawing. If we are going to calculate for 12 months, we are going to calculate for 12 months. Okay? We are going to calculate for 9 months. 6 months, quarter means 4. Only quarter is different. So I am just taking one line. Okay? So then, if you are going to beginning, mid or end. Okay, beta? Beginning, mid or end. Beginning, mid or end. Beginning means 1, 2, 3 date. Mid means 15, 14, 30, 16. End means 28, 29, 30. Then 6.5 here. Then 6 and 5.5. Okay? Here 5, 3.5, and then 4.5, and then 4. Okay, beta? And this side again 3.5, 3 and 2.5. Here 7.5. Okay, beta? And 6 and 4.5. This is table. On the basis of this table, we are going to calculate interest on drawing. Okay? We are going to calculate interest on drawing. Okay? And just explain with the formula. It's a one table. Okay? It's a one table. For beginning, if 12 months regularly beginning, then 6.5 months we are going to calculate. Mid 6 months we are going to calculate. In 5.5 months we are going to calculate. If 9 months, then 5 months. If mid 9 months, 4.5 months. If in 9 months, 4 months. 6 month beginning, 3.5 months. 6 month mid, 3 months. 6 month end, 2.5 months. For the quarter it's separate, no relation between this. 7.5 months, 6 and 4.5. If you have the problem to remembering this table, it's very easy to remember it, beta. Only remember this part. 12 months, 6.5. 12 months and 6.5, beta. Okay? Then downside half, less half. And this side less 1.5. Downside less half and that side less 1.5. 6 half. 6 half, 5.5. This side 6.5 less 1.5, 5. 1.5, 3.5. 6, 1.5, 4.5, 1.5, 3.5. 5 less 1.5, 4, 1.5, 2.5. Okay, beta? On this way you are easily remember these things. Okay? And one formula, one combined formula is that amount into 12 if 12 months continuously, 9 if 9 months continuously, 6 if 6 months, 4 if 4 months, into if beginning to beginning month, if mid to mid month, if end then end month upon 12, into rate upon 100. Okay, beta? By this formula, we are easily calculate all the interest on drawing for 6 months, for 12 months, for 9 months, for quarter. Okay, beta? For that, we are going to take some question. Okay, read the question. Question number
26.
that 26, beta. Question number 26. Okay.
Gopal is a partner in a firm. He withdrew 1,000 per month regularly on the first day of every month during.
Okay, nothing is given about the month. It means it's 12 months. Regularly, it means the amount of drawing is 1,000. Okay, for 12 months, and interest rate is
15%.
15%.
Per
Okay, all
annum.
three is here. Then going to calculate amount 1,000. Just see the formula and see then into 12 into it's a beginning. Beginning means 6.5 upon 12 into rate 15 upon 100. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to present the question. Only see the table. Table is very easy. That is not given in book. Okay? Just see in the board only. Write on your copy because it's not given in book. Okay? Solve this. It's very easy. 12 divided by 12 finished. Double 0 from there finished. It means 65 into 15. Then 975. I think answer is coming. 975. Okay. Now I am going for the next question. Okay, beta. Next question. Just see next question. Question number 27. Okay, question number 27. Okay, tell the question.
Calculate the interest on drawing of Mr. Aditya at 8% per annum for the year ended 31st March 2016 in each of the following alternate cases.
Okay. Many cases there. Go for the first case. First case is
If he withdrew 5,000 in the beginning of each quarter.
beginning of each quarter. It means 4. Okay. Then go start. If quarter is there, then amount. See the formula. Amount 5,000. Quarter means 4. Is the beginning. Beginning means 7.5 upon 12 into rate is 8 upon 100. Okay? Just calculate. Then see the answer. Three times. Double zero is finished. 2.5. Okay. Then 50 into 2.5 into 8. Then this 0 is finished. The 0 is finished. Then 8. Then 4. 2. 1000. Okay, clear? Answer is 1000. Clear, beta? Then go for the next.
Case 2. If he withdrew 6,000 at the end of each quarter.
6,000 in each quarter. Then again 6,000 4 in means 4.5 upon 12 into 8 upon 100. Okay, beta? Again same thing is going on. 3 1.5 here 90 into 8 720. Answer is 720. Okay, go for the next. It's the second. Then go for the third.
If he withdrew 10,000 during the middle of each quarter.
10,000 middle each quarter. Then 10,000 into 4 middle 6 upon 12 into 8 upon 100 2 4 1600.
Yes.
Now just a minute. Okay. Clear? Okay, go for the next.
Calculate the interest on drawing of Shah Ganesh at 9% per annum for the year ended 31st March 160 in each of the following alternative
Okay.
cases.
Shah Ganesh interest rate is what, beta?
9%.
9%. Okay. Then case 1.
If he withdrew 4,000 per month in the beginning of every month.
4,000 beginning every month. No 94 is given. It means the 12 months. Okay, calculate. 4,000 into 12 into beginning. Beginning means 6.5 upon 12 into 9 upon 100. Just calculate. Finished. Okay. 4 into 6.5 into 9. Okay, beta? Okay, into 9. 0 2340.
Yes.
Okay, go for the case 2.
If he withdrew 5,000 per month at the end of every month.
And 12. Again 5,000 into in 5.5 upon 12 into 9 upon 100 into 12. Okay, 12 finished, 00 finished, 50 into 5.5 into 9. Okay, Okay, into 9. Twenty-four, 75. Okay. Now it's clear, na beta? On this way, any more question is this question? Okay, tell the third case.
If we withdrew 6,000 per month.
6,000 per month. Only this. Not will mean nothing. It means mid into 12. Mid is 6 upon 12 into rate is a 9 upon 100. Then cut this. 12, 12. 36 into 9. 0. 5. 32, 40. Okay. On this basis, we are going to calculate the interest on drawing. Okay, beta? Clear? Any problems there, then tell about that. In comment, tell me, then I will try to solve your problem. Okay, beta? Thank you.